Good? I'm Tyler Carroll. This is Garrett Pegler, owner of Go Shield Film, and this is GS FAQ. Today, we're gonna be asking Garrett your questions, and we're gonna be focusing on paint protection film. Garrett, can you wrap chrome in paint protection film?
It's a good question. A lot of these new trucks, the whole front bumpers are chrome. We can wrap the chrome. We can wrap the side mirrors. If chrome is something that you're interested in protecting, we can wrap the chrome.
A popular question from truck guys out there. If we didn't hit the question that you wanted, please leave in the comment below. Next week, we are doing ceramic coat. So if you have any ceramic coating questions, please leave them in the comments as well. We read all of your comments, so we'll add them to the video. Other than that, thanks for watching.